Alright, I was gonna leave and I heard something back here. We're gonna go investigate. We're gonna check it out. Somewhere back down here to the right. It's actually pretty loud. It's right over here. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Let's check this out. There was something back here. Don't get me wrong, it could be people. This is a great fishing area. It's like right in here. Dog. Let's check and see where this goes. I don't remember. Seems crooked as fuck. Holy fuck. Man, those things are barely connected. Man, that was fucked up. My fat ass shouldn't have got there. Man, I thought I was going down. Fuck. Alright. Tread new ground. It's a neat area for a paintball competition, you know, a little paintball day. Pretty cool. Interesting tree up right there. Looks like a little nest of some sort in there. Like a den, maybe. Strange. I ain't going over there. Pretty cool. That's funny, big old metal. Way out here. Alright, well, this is just going to be the same shit. And all about doing a video of greenery and trees. There's some people back here. Man, there's like a... What the hell? Heard of homeless people living back here. That's cool. Actually, there's like 6 people back here. What the fuck? Alright. Rowdy. I'm kind of a smoker every once in a while, but something I mean, you tell me I'm wrong, whatever. Something inherently wrong with walking through beautiful woods, enjoying a beautiful walk, weather, and smoking a motherfucking cigarette. I don't know. To each his own, don't get me wrong. When you're walking down a goddamn path, in the middle of fucking nature, and some motherfuckers poking on a cigarette, I don't know. Whatever. It just seems a little strange to me. Like, I looked over, maybe they were smoking a bowl, I don't know, I'm not against that. You know, I want to stand back here and puff a little natural, wacky tobacco, man. God bless America. But, be walking through no goddamn Marlboro Red smoke, you know. Alright, well, hopefully this didn't turn out to be too boring. I need the exercise. I need to get out more often. I'm going to get a membership at a gym. I already went looking at a couple. And I'm going to do me some working out. I might even just buy a treadmill instead. Hit the treadmill a couple every day for an hour or more, whatever, you know, whatever they recommend. I'd like to shed 20 pounds. Don't get me wrong, I could shed more than that, but 20 would work for now. Alright, well, I turned around, so like I said, I'm not going to do a video of the same thing, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace out. Fucking steps.